What's up guys, it's Flipman Dan, your garage sailing expert. Right now it's Saturday morning and we got our smoothie in hand and we're about to hit the streets. But first, I'm gonna give you an update on last week's sales. So first of all, the stuff that we picked up from the garbage, a doggy door and a blue desk, that was free, we sold for a total of $85. The wagon that we picked up for 20 bucks sold for 50. I still have the white chair in my inventory, but that's about to sell for just about $100. And that desk that we threw in to that deal also sold immediately for $40. So all told, it was an investment around 100 bucks and we already made that back and then some. So looking forward to today's sales. We have a couple lined up in North Phoenix and we're just gonna head straight out there and see where the day takes us. So let's go. Another update from the first week of sales, I finally sold the Marlboro backpack, the Marlboro poker chips, and those two plastic shelves for a total of $50. So that actually ended up being a good sale from $10 to $50. What we're still holding on to from last week is, of course, that shitty tricycle that I think I'm about to throw in the trash. The second thing is the ottoman that I've gotten one or two inquiries on, but I think it will sell, but it's taking a little bit longer than I thought it would. Also, all of those video games that I've bought have yet to sell, so we'll see with those. All right guys, so the first sale that we're going to is kind of a mystery. It's just text, you know, as you can see in the description, there's no pictures, so who knows, but it's close though, so, you know, if you can hit the garage sales in your close proximity first, that's probably the best idea, because later the day gets, more of the best items get sold.
How much you want for these pots? Yeah, for these like 5. Yeah, I'd do, would you do $4 for them? Sure. Easy money, babe. Yeah, how much for the patio set?
The whole thing?
Yeah.
50 bucks.
50 bucks for all of it. Is there any other chairs with this?
Yeah, but they just need cushions.
For sure.
Honestly. Like there's no scraping on the metal, they're dirty. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. There you
go. So right now we're heading to another garage sale where, of course, I saw pictures of some patio sets. You know, we have one in the trailer right now that's taking up all the room, but that doesn't mean that we can't go and make a purchase and come back and get stuff later. Nice establishments.
Hi there. Hi there.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Good, good.
Just looking around.
Yes, take your time.
You had another patio set that sold out there? Or?
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Are you selling those pots out there too?
Yeah, the blue one on the right, 15, and then the maroon one is 15 with the stand, and the little orange one is 10.
Gotcha. So I bought some pillows, another patio set, of course, and more pots. And I spent 100 bucks. So a lot going on, but I think they're pretty high quality, and I think I'll be able to make a a decent amount of cash on them, so. Oh! Smells like grandma.
Garage sale story that you had?
Well, it's rather in depth, and I've got to get back in there because people are buying things I don't want them to buy. But I'll tell you one day when you have a second, come on by.
Okay, absolutely.
Yeah, and I'll fill you in. It's very interesting.
Well, long story short, she made $6,000
Yes.
doing garage sales.
Yes.
And seems like you're a pro because you got something really good going on over here.
Well, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Appreciate all the stuff.
Enjoy.
Oh, absolutely.
All right.
What do we have here? Okay. Going to any garage sale past 10 a.m., all the good stuff usually is going to be sold, but you still should probably go to those sales because guess what? You have all the leverage as a buyer because they're literally just trying to get rid of all this stuff. You know, you saw at that last sale, I got as many frames as I wanted for $1. They're like, just take it, you know, like we'll give it to you for free practically. So, you know, the leverage is in your hands. You just got to continue going to the sales. Okay. Is it at the car wash or what? What's going on here? Huh. Okay, I will park like this. I might be getting murdered, so just continue rolling.
Is this a turkey, mate? What is this?
It's a turkey fry.
Turkey
It doesn't need oil.
doesn't need oil.
That's why when I bought it, I didn't know it.
Gotcha. Turkey fryer.
And it has this. This is really important because you don't pay attention, you can catch this freaking thing on fire.
Right.
This ain't like oil, so it's different. You know, oil. You know what happened? I was doing one. I burnt the whole freaking house down. But no, the fire department did. It was on the patio.
Yeah.
And I have a movie coming. I was gone for like 2 weeks. I let these guys stay at my house, and they it all up, right?
Oh, geez.
So I cleaned the patio up, and I had a pile of garbage over here, and it blew into underneath on the propane, and it caught the paper and caught on fire.
Jeez.
So I was trying to put it. I couldn't, and they moved my fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
I couldn't find it. I had a fire extinguisher right there, and I couldn't find it. I finally found it, but I called the fire department. So the moron comes over the fence, over the brick wall, and kicks the thing and rolls right into the house.
Oh,
and catches the
no.
freaking place on fire.
Holy Yeah, I'm not really interested in it, but it's not something I'd use until maybe like Thanksgiving. Let's get out of here.
so that was the final garage sale of the day. It was a little bit creepy and dark inside, and there was lots of old stuff like typewriters and an old school radio, but it wasn't cheap. Like the price for like the old school radio, they were asking like $100 for it, and I couldn't find anything comparable on eBay. I mean, there was similar brands, but not that type of radio, so I wasn't about to make that risk for something that could potentially take a while to sell. So instead I settled on the picture frame and got the hell out of there. All right guys, great haul today. Spent around $150 altogether, and we got a ton of stuff. I'm gonna start out right here with this freebie. You know, this is just on the side of the road for $0, so I grabbed it. This will probably sell for $20. Got all these picture frames, these for $1, including that big one right there. This picture frame I'm gonna use for myself to hang a music festival poster that I have. Might as well get it on the cheap, which is good. These pots here, great throw in with a big purchase. The biggest purchase I made was for $100 at that sale with Lenny. This one probably 25 bucks. This one at least 35. This one's beautiful, probably $50. The rest of these are between you know, $15 and $20, which is good. And at that sale with the pots, I also got these beautiful long interior cushions, 2 of them. They're Southwestern style, and a whole garbage bag full of pillows that match this style, which is great. I'll be able to sell that as a package all together for probably $100. This patio set, all 4 of these chairs, this table, and this couch, I got for 50 bucks. So with a little bit of spray paint, this is gonna be a money flip. You know, I'm thinking hopefully $200, so we'll see with that. And then this patio set really is not gonna need much work at all. You know, it's a little old school. It's got some wood chipping and whatnot. The cushions aren't in great shape, but something like this could probably get me at least 100 bucks. So I'll look forward to selling this. And overall, some great profit. Please like and subscribe. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you what exactly we sold this for, how much money we made, and you can follow us on our next flip adventure. So once again, I'm Flipman Dan. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Until next time, see ya.